Submarines are designed and built to survive in some of the harshest environments on the planet. The T-class submarine, HMS Trenchant, is the oldest of the 7 vessels in the UK submarine fleet, which were launched in the 1980s and 90s. At Corsham in Wiltshire, thousands of miles from the Arctic Circle, engineers with Chemring Energetics MRO are helping to ensure the sub still function efficiently, even though some of the equipment on board is long past its sell-by date. They have built, for example, a test rig to identify problems with the Saline Monitoring System. It measures the level of salt in water used to generate steam to power the boat, as well as in the water the crew needs for cooking and washing.
For the propulsion system, it must be very, very low to avoid corrosion within the pipes. For the human consumption, it must be above a certain level, otherwise there are health complications.
If the system fails, the boat is still operational, but valuable time is taken up with monitoring salt levels.
It can sail, but it then becomes a manual system whereby it's very time demanding on the crew. And obviously this is an automated system, so the crew involvement becomes minimal.
The problems with the Saline Monitoring System are due to their age, the original decision to choose off-the-shelf equipment rather than a bespoke system, and the extreme environment: moisture, oil vapours, vibration, and temperatures above 50 degrees C, where they are fitted on board. To add to the challenge, only limited technical data exists, so our team had to work backwards and re-engineer.
The basic information is missing, and in that case we've gone back to square one and looked at the design and produced all the documentation relative to the design.
Installing an updated saline monitoring system, as used on the new range of submarines, is considered impractical. It, though, alongside an unproven T-class system and an old but working version maintained by the MRO engineers, has provided the answers they were looking for. Their solution is tested in water, in temperatures from 0 to 100 degrees, to simulate conditions on a submarine.
We will put it in the conditioning cabinet and soak it at the maximum operating temperature. In the case of the panel, it's 50 degrees C. So that will be a soak test on all the electronics to make sure there's no overheating, which happens now, and the repairs are good, so it's a valid product.
It's very old equipment which is qualified for submarine use, and it's difficult to replace, and we need to keep that going for the MOD.
For more information, contact 01225 810 771 or email mro@chemringenergetics.co.uk.